Is it just me? This Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser is lasting forever, forever, ever. I mean, I use it every day. I've been dying to try this. It's a Japanese, I think drugstore type skincare product. And it's kind of a gel. It almost is like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream. I know it's fragrance free. Comment below if you've ever used this. This is one you guys have been talking about in the comments for a while. But I've seen it at like H Mart. Then over that, for my sunscreen slash moisturizer, I'm coming in with the Hada Labo UV White Gel. All right, you guys, last day of opening Korean beauty advent calendars. We're gonna come in with Stylovana Day 22, just where we left off from yesterday's video. Where is 22? Here it is, little drawer. Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. Took me a minute. From Axis Y. Activated niacinamide helps correct dark spots and brighten skin with plant-derived squalane to lock in moisture for glowing skin all day. This looks interesting. I've never tried anything from this brand, Axis Y. It has rosemary leaf oil, which is a preservative, but can cross-react if you have fragrance allergies. Papaya fruit extract can be irritating to some. Glutathione is an antioxidant. It may help in improving dark spots and reducing oxidative stress in the skin. That is generous. I like the packaging. We have a pump with a cap. I'm excited to try that. Oh, it has sea buckthorn oil, one of my favorite ingredients. Yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to trying this. Axis Y. And day 23, looks like a bunch of masks. Oh my, we've got foot moisturizing mask from 11 Village Factory. Gave us a lot in here. It's like little booties. What's inside the mask? Bunch of emollients, sunflower seed oil, safflower seed oil, urea, now that's good for softening callus. Rose flower oil is just scent, limonene, fragrance, ceramide, moisturizing. I look forward to giving these a try. We also have a big drawer down here on Stylovana Day 23. Another sunscreen from Stylovana. It's the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. I really like this sunscreen. It's nice and lightweight, moisturizing, no cast, and it's just a good everyday moisturizer that happens to have sunscreen. Check out my review of this, but I rather enjoy it. I've not had a bad Isntree product, if I do say so myself. I've been really happy with everything I've tried from this brand. All right, last day of Yes Style, Day 24. Oh, Sugar Twinkle, Liquid Glitter. I don't know that I'm gonna be excited about that. I'm not such a fan of glitter. Didn't we get something else from Peri Peta? Sugar Twinkle Liquid Glitter, Glitter Wave. Glitter can be pretty irritating to the skin. The packaging is pretty. That's what we're dealing with as far as an applicator. My hands look yellow in this lighting, by the way. It's not my actual hand color. Can't say I'm gonna be using that too much, although who knows. Maybe I'll elf myself, put a bunch of glitter on my cheeks for today. And the last day, so sad, of the KBEAUTY Advent Calendars, Day 24 of, ooh, is this? Yes, this is one of my favorite sunscreens from this year, the Beauty of Joseon. Relief Sun. I've reviewed this. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging, but this is really good. It doesn't leave a cast. It's nice and moisturizing. I have to say, Stylovana really came in comparison to Yes Style as far as delivering sunscreens. We got 3 sunscreens from Stylovana, and I don't think we got a single one from Yes Style. So while Yes Style really came through with the packaging of their calendar, the packaging of the Yes Style calendar wins. It's cute. It looks nice sitting out. The drawers are easier to get in and out of, like they really put a lot of effort into it. Majority of the products were excellent, but there was no sunscreen. The Stylovana calendar, they can work on the box for sure. Some of these drawers are just a little tricky to get in and out of. There's not much in the way of creativity here. I mean, it's cute, but it's not as cute as the Yes Style one. But they did come through with not 1, not 2, but 3 sunscreens for us. So I got to give them props for that. Yeah, this was a ton of fun, as always. This year, you know, the Stylovana one, this is the first year I've done Stylovana, but I always get Yes Style. I got questions too, where do these come from? So this one is from the online retailer Yes Style, and this one's from the online retailer Stylovana. And both of these retailers send these to me for free. And I'm not obligated to do this unboxing, I just really enjoy it. I'm not obligated to do anything with it. This comes out every year and they always sell out really fast, but they often get more in later on. Here at Craftex, I've always heard good things about this place. They have a separate Christmas showroom. It's cute. Mountain. Check out these giant orbs. Are those sleigh? Oh my gosh. Wow. Check out this. This is the place to get Christmas decorations. That tree. This is a place to get your wreath making supplies. Aren't these cute little, like, nutcracker spoolie people? Trees. These are cute little garden houses. Got these doll. It's like the Russian from the Nutcracker. This would be good on my tree. I'm over here and they have all of these gorgeous ribbons. Check this out. Isn't this pretty? And how cute is this nautical one?
Hello, Merry Christmas. I can hear you now.
I like this. It's like a seafoam with all the glitter. And to match, speaking of seafoam, they have this one with the shells. How pretty is that? But wait till you see these trees they have. Check this one out. It's like all nutcrackers. And then over the doorway they have all the nutcrackers.
Charlie, can you please come to the Christmas showroom for customer assistance? Thank you.
And then this one's so cute. I especially like this one. This is what I had in mind for my tree, but theirs is like way over the top. Look at this one with the snowman sticking out. Oh my gosh, check this out. They have it like anchored up there. And then there's a Santa sleigh.
I mean, you just want it sporadically, right? So is your tree showing all the way around?
This massive candy cane. Here's what they did with that nautical ribbon with the shells. Looks like bubbles. It's got like so cool. Here's a beach theme. Look, there's a jellyfish. Oh, I like these. Okay, so now we're on the other side, the non-Christmas side, and they're known for having a large collection of like coffee table books. They have some pretty cool ones. We have all sorts of cookbooks. Pierogi love. Interior decorating design books. Natural timber frame homes. The anatomy of sheds. Here we are, the Halloween ribbons. You can make wreaths. Fall. Back here they have a whole huge room of faux flowers. Orchid. Hydrangea. Sunflowers. I do have a restroom in here, FYI. Check out this Valentine wreath. I have a big Valentine tree in here. Oh, that's cute. Well, hey guys, I'm back. Got out of the shower. I've been out for a while. Sounds like I'm on parole or something. Anyway, what did you guys think about that CraftX place? I just recently heard about this place. I'm definitely gonna go back. They had so much cool stuff in there. Stuff I didn't even get on camera because it was just like way overload. They had tons of stuff. If you live in the Houston area, you have got to go to CraftX. It is so unique and so cool. And apparently it started out as just a guy selling like one or two things, and it blew up into that. One thing I wanted to update you guys on is I pointed this out in a Target video. Different now has a salicylic acid body spray, and it's actually really good. I've been using it off and on, like on my chest and my back, because sometimes I do get acne breakouts there from workouts, just like sweat rubbing there underneath the sports bra. Salicylic acid to these areas. It's also really good if you have tinea versicolor related to that little yeast malassezia. But believe it or not, you can actually get seborrheic dermatitis. Anywhere where there are hair follicles, you can get seborrheic dermatitis. And it's like, you know, the red, it looks like little pinkish patches, kind of greasy appearing with the overlying yellowish scale. But in deeper skin tones, it may be a little bit more violet to gray with that overlying scale. Anyway, all that to say, this can be helpful if you get breakouts on the body, salicylic acid. And I really like this, although make sure you use it in a well-ventilated area so you're not inhaling salicylic acid. I'm gonna put the fan on right quick. See how it's got a nice spray as I sal acid the wall there? But yeah, hold your breath when you're using it. Make sure you're doing it in a well-ventilated area so you don't end up inhaling salicylic acid while you're using it. Oh man. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you celebrate Christmas, I hope you're having a happy Christmas. As a side note, I'm really proud of myself because this year I stayed on top of my gift wrapping. I always end up waiting to the last minute to wrap my gifts, and it kind of overwhelms me, and I get a little like, oh my gosh, I've got all this wrapping to do. And this year I wrapped, starting the day after Thanksgiving, I did a little thing where every night I made a pledge I was gonna wrap one gift, and now I only have like one or two little trinkets left to wrap, and I'm good. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.